Hey, I'm just going to show you a quick braid, and once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. It's a waterfall braid, but instead of the hair coming out of the waterfall braid going down, it's going to be pulled back so you can have it into a pony, and it's going to be really good for sports. Like, I play basketball and soccer, and I do this all the time. So first we're going to start out just taking a section from the crown of your head. It's really helpful for longer bangs to keep them back. And take the section. I usually have it down to right before where my ear is, so like this. Put the rest of your hair into a pony, so it keeps it out of the way. And then you're going to start like a regular French braid. You're going to pick up hair on your forehead, but when you get to pick up hair on the side, you're actually going to drop this piece and just add the hair, add new hair, and just do the same thing, add hair by your forehead. Once you get to this side, drop it and add new hair. And you're just going to continue this until you run out of hair. And then once you get to the end, all you have to do is pull it back and braid it. Just a normal braid. Then I like to just put it with a little rubber band so it stays. And you can pull it out and redo your pony anytime with it if you want to. And then when you put it up, you can just brush the pieces back into their places. And if there's any parts sticking up, you can just push them down. But what I like to do is I like to put another waterfall braid behind it, so I'll show you how to do that real quick too. Got to do another section of hair. And you can do as many sections as you want. I've done up to, I think, 5 before, and it just makes it look more intricate and more cool. But what you're going to do is you have to take out the hair that you took out of the first braid. So you just got to shake that hair out of this braid. Okay. I like to, I don't know, have a clip or something, but I don't know where my clips are. So just start like you did before with a regular French braid. And then when you add hair towards your forehead, you pick up a little from the actual braid, but then you pick up the first section of hair you left out, this part, and you add it to that side also. And then when you get to the side again, you drop it out. Add new hair. Pick up some from this side. Add another section. Drop it out. And you just keep doing the same thing. And to make it look more designed, I usually like to use smaller pieces of hair, but for the purposes of this video I'm just using big pieces. And then you get to the end, and like the other one, you're just gonna braid it back. Put it out and braid it back. And then you can just put those up on a pony. and I'll post a picture of what it looks like with a bunch more, because this one's a little messy because I couldn't use the mirror the whole time. But that's how you do a waterfall braid back into a ponytail. Hope you guys enjoy it.